All right, everyone. I wanted to do a full breakdown here for you on this e-bike that I got off of Amazon. So I've had it for a couple weeks now and have been able to test ride it, and I'm absolutely loving this thing. So I wanted to do a full breakdown from head to toe, show you how to assemble it, and also show you a couple rides as well. So enjoy the review. So first it comes in this big heavy-duty box here, no damage to the box at all. And inside you can see everything is styrofoamed, zip-tied from head to toe, which I was really happy about that. And out of the box again, you can see everything is wrapped up so well. I couldn't find a single damage or scratch or ding on this bike anywhere, which I was extremely happy about. Even the back of it, every inch of the bike was wrapped up. So it did take a minute to undo it all, but I was happy it was wrapped up this sufficiently and this detailed. And then it comes with the wheel to put together, the front handlebars, the charger. It comes with this big heavy-duty tool, which is everything you need to put it together. All the pedals, the front fender, the seat, everything is there ready to go to install. First, you start with putting the handlebar portion in, tighten that up once you get it straight, and then the handlebar does need to be put in when it's down because the cord's not long enough, so make sure you do that. The front fender goes on next, and then you put the two supports on each side. They just screw in, tighten them up with the Allen wrench there. And then the front light, so you tighten that up as well. Next, you're going to tighten the handlebars to make sure they are straight and put them into place. The tire goes on super easily. It's just a clamp that you tighten up once you put it in there. And then obviously the pedals go on next. The seat is adjustable. You put that where you want it. You can adjust that later, but it just goes into place and then clamps down. And then lastly, you do the two reflectors there, which were very easy to do. So here is the bike done. Absolutely beautiful bike. Overall, it took me maybe 20 minutes to put together. I'm really happy with the looks of this bike. It's got a flat but black color to it. And then obviously the decals, everything. It looks great. Really, really good looking bike here. Up close you have the front light, which I'm going to show you in a little bit how bright that is, but it's a big LED light for night. 20-inch fat tires. The handlebars are adjustable, so you can do those up and down depending on your height. Same thing with the seat. This is the key where you power it on and off. But when the key is in, it locks into place. It can't fall out at all. It does have that back rack there, so you can strap stuff down to it if you're riding it hiking or camping or anything like that. I thought that was awesome. Again, the gears, it's a 7-gear Shimano gear set on there. And the big heavy-duty kickstand, super solid kickstand. Just to show you what the display looks like in the handlebars. So that's the plus and minus to the different settings as far as the display. Your bell there, which I thought was awesome. The other side has that Shimano gear set. Both your front and rear brakes are there, so everything's on the bars. Then to show you a quick run from a dead stop, it's got a really quick acceleration, but smooth. Super, super smooth acceleration as far as other bikes I've rode. So I was extremely happy about that. And it still gets up to speed really fast. So great riding bike, even taking it over some more uneven terrain. I could barely feel it. It's got some really nice front shocks on it, so this bump at the end is usually pretty rough right here, and it rode great on that bump. And then also you can stand up while riding and sit back down very comfortably. I didn't feel uneasy or unsturdy at all riding while standing and even sitting back down here. So super happy with the ride. I made a 90-degree turn, no problem. You can pedal too. It's got pedal assist, but I also wanted to show you how it folds up. Super easy to fold up here. You do the handlebars. It's got 2 clips, one for the handlebars and then one for that middle body section. And it's done in like 15 seconds. And you can put it into your car, camper, something like that to store it away easily. And then putting back out, same thing, just backwards. Takes another 15 to 20 seconds to do. And then lastly, I wanted to show you how easy it is to get on and off the bike. So I'm 5'11". You can see the size of the bike on me. I can stand at a dead stop if you need to, hop on the bike, still have one leg down, and get on and off of it super easily. So size was great. And then here's what it looks like at night. So that front LED light is super bright. I was really excited about that. You'll see how bright it actually shines up the front of the bike here. So it's middle of the night and it's making it pure daylight out. The back one is bright as well. You can see the display even is super bright. So there's no problem riding this bike at night and still being seen and being able to ride it safely. The backlight actually has a brake light as well, which I'm going to show you here. So when you hold either one of the brakes, the brake actually turns on. So it has like a night light, but then also a brake light as well. So super happy with this bike. One last look at it. I would highly recommend this thing. I've had other e-bikes before, and this one is top-notch from what I've had. So hope this helps anyone looking at these things.